Welcome to our general overview of Clustdoc online forms. In this tutorial, I'll briefly explain what a Clustdoc form is and how you can leverage it while building your process. In our next video about forms, I'll walk you through how to create a form more specifically. Clustdoc online forms allow you to collect the information and data you need from anyone during onboarding. What is the difference between a form and a process? In Clustdoc, an onboarding process could involve many steps such as filling out an intake form, filing out a financial history form, signing an NDA, booking an appointment. As you can see, the form is an asset associated with the first two steps to complete in our process. Clustdoc forms are one of the steps that can be added to a global process. This allows you to run end-to-end onboarding flows, including as many forms as needed. Also, with each of your forms potentially being single steps, it will be much easier for your team to review the information you collect. If you want to, you can also save your generic forms in your toolbox and reuse them in other processes. I'll share now with you a few examples of how to leverage forms while building your checklist. Option 1. Mapping data from one form to another inside the checklist. Let's say that you want to avoid double entries from our contacts. You'll be able to map previously captured data to another form in your process. Option 2. Marking forms as internal steps that only your team can complete. If you need your team member to fill out internal questionnaires during onboarding, this option will help you do so very easily. Option 3. Showing or hiding form steps based on previously captured answers or complete steps. Let's say that you have a form that only applies to someone with a specific situation. You could display this form in the onboarding checklist based on certain criteria. Option 4. Using a form to pre-qualify your contacts. This is just perfect for when you want to pre-qualify contacts before they start the onboarding, and also if you require a different onboarding experience based on a contact situation. Option 5. Using a form contento pre-populate a document that needs to be signed. You can also use the content of the form to fill out a contract that would need to be signed later on through the checklist. Option 6. Sending your form's data to your favorite apps. And of course, you'll be able to send your forms data to your favorite apps using our integrations. These are only a few scenarios that you could run using our forms. We hope you like it.